to a tangerine sky. Say hello to tomorrow. When you say goodbye to a tangerine sky, you lose your pain, lose your fear, lose your sorrow. What if you open yours instead of hating mine? Find a truth and love and something deep inside. See the light and slip to the place I need to be. That homegrown Arizona harvested my seeds. We live life from day to night with no hesitation. Make the best of every situation that I find myself facing. It's all worth tomorrow, choosing my final destination. Cause when it's said and done, it's just yourself and your face. So, say goodbye to a tangerine sky. Say hello to tomorrow. Say goodbye to a tangerine sky. You lose your pain, lose your fear, lose your sorrow. Say goodbye to a tangerine sky. Say hello to tomorrow. Sometimes say goodbye, elephant. Say goodbye, Max. Watch the clouds create. It's never too late to lose the hate. It's never too late. It's never too late now.